Good morning, everyone. I myself, Dharamveer Singh, welcomes you on the behalf of J. Somnath English Medium Primary School. Students, today we are going to learn Standard 6th English, a beautiful lesson that is Who I Am. Students, you all might be knowing that you are having a friend with you. Your friends are also having some kind of different quality which you don't have. For example, if you like painting, then your friend might be liking climbing the mountains or traveling or any other qualities they might be liking more and more. So here in this lesson we are going to learn that we in this world there are different people having different kinds of qualities. Here some of the students examples are being taken which shows their liking towards their, even though they are of same age, but they are having a different liking for the different profession. So let's start. Chapter 6, Who I Am. The first one is a story of a Radha. Here Radha is a small girl. So what is her liking and how she is different from the other? Let's read out. My favorite activity is climbing trees. So now the Radha's favorite activity he likes the most is to climb the trees. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. So near her house there is one big mango tree. So Radha likes to climb the mango tree right from the childhood. Its branches spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. So now the Radha is saying that the tree is very big, so it is very easy for her to climb, and what she does when she climbs the tree, she sits over there in the fork of a tree. Fork of a tree means where the two branches are being divided. My mother tells me it is not sensible for a girl to climb. So now her mother doesn't like Radha to climb all the time the tree because she feels that it is not sensible. Sensible means reasonable. So there is no reason, nothing she would get by climbing the tree. Only and only that thing, if she falls, she might get hurt. But one afternoon she climbed up too. So as looking at the Radha, all the time her mother used to scold her. But one day what happened? That Radha's mother also started. She once climbed that tree. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. So now as her mother climbed the tree, now both Radha and her mother, they sat on the tree, they started talking a lot and they started eating the raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So now Radha is saying why she is liking to climb the tree, because when she climbed the tree, she considered herself as that she is the ruler of the whole world, because she can see everything from the height of the tree. Now the second story, it is about one boy of the same age. His name is Nasir. Now Nasir also has some different kind of qualities. So what it is? When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. Now, this Nasir and Radha both are of same age, but the Radha's most liking was to climb the tree, and Nasir, being of a same age, his liking is to collect the seeds. So, collector means one who collects. So, here Nasir likes to have a seed collector. We have cotton field in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money of buying a new seeds to grow cotton plant. Now Nasir, he has been living in the village, so his father is a farmer and they grow the cotton more and more. So he has seen that his father all the time, every year he goes to the market and purchase the new cotton seeds. So from that moment Nasir likes to collect the different seeds. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seed from his own plant, and which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. So he has learned this thing from his grandfather, because his grandfather is saying that whatever the crops they used to grow, so from that crops whatever the fruit used to come, in that fruit there might be the seed, and that seed only they used to use it for growing the next plant. So the much of the amount which has been spended in purchasing a new seed was being completely less. But today I doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. Now his grandfather is saying, as I am very old, now it is not possible for me to collect the seed from the fruits. So that's why Nasir's father has to spend a lot of money in order to buy the new seeds from the market. I want to find out the way that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds. So now Nasir wants to that his father's expenditure should be less. So he also wanted to follow his grandfather and collects the new seed and preserve it. Preserve means to keep safely. So whatever the seeds the Nasir used to collect, he wanted to keep it very safely so his father can use it for planting the other plants, so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So Nasir has a great liking about his father. He also wanted to follow his grandfather and collect the seeds from the fruits, so that only seeds can be used by his father in order to grow the next crop, and the whole money, the much amount of money which Nasir's father used to spend, that might get up to an end. Now third story, it is about one of a boy whose name is Rohit. He is also of the same age, but his liking is different as compared to the Radha and Nasir. So if I had a huge amount of money, huge means very large. Now Rohit, being a small child, he is saying that if I am having a very large money, what he will do? I would travel and travel. So now dear Rohit likes traveling very much. So he is saying that whenever I will be having a lots of money, I will be going to the traveling the whole world and exploring the new thing. I want to see the mountains of the New Zealand because they look beautiful in the magazine picture. Now the first liking the Rohit is that whenever he will be having a lot of money, he would first go to the New Zealand in order to see the beautiful mountain which he has seen in the various magazines. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. The second thing is that he wanted to sail to the Amazon River, that is at South America, in a raft. Raft is a kind of a boat, wooden boat, which is been tied, that woods are tied together and the person sails on it. I want to live on the beaches of the Lakshadweep and dive down to the sea coral. So beaches means sea coast. Now the third liking of the Rohit is that he would be going to the beaches of the Lakshadweep and he would be sailing in the ocean. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa, or the old city of Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt. Now his travelings are the liking for the travelling is increasing and increasing, because he wanted to go to the, first of all he would be going to the New Zealand, then the South America in order to sail the Amazon River, then to the Lakshadweep sea coast, then he's been going to the Konark temple in Orissa, and then the old cities of China. After that he would be going to the Egypt, where he would see the pyramids. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than the old building. Now he is lastly saying that even though this many places he has said, but he likes to go to the natural places as compared to the old building. So here comes the end of the part 1. In the next video we will start part 2. Welcome to the part 2. Students, in the part 1 we have learned how Radha, Nasir and Rohit, the story of Radha, Nasir and Rohit, how they were of same age but their likings were completely different from each other. Where the Radha likes to climb the tree, whereas the Nasir, being of the same age, he likes to collect the seeds. And the third one of Rohit, he also of the same age but he likes to travel and travel. Now the fourth story, it is about Sarabjit. Now why Sarabjit is different from the other? Let's see. What makes me very angry is when the people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. Now Sarabjit is saying that whatever the thing I like, the one of the bad thing which I like from the other people is that even though I am telling truth, they considered me to be that I am telling lie. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it. Now the first example is giving of his teacher that once he has not done his homework. So he told the truth to the teacher that he has not done the homework because his friend Ravi has borrowed the book from him. Or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started fighting. The second example he is telling about his parents, because whenever he say the truth that I have never started fighting but the little brother has started, then also their parents are not at all believing him. Or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks. Now the third example again is giving of his teacher that even though he tell his teacher that I have studied very hard for the exam but I couldn't score good marks. Then what happened to the parents and the teacher? They all look at me as if they think I am telling lie. So even though the Sarabjit is telling truth, but his parents and his teacher believe that the Sarabjit is telling lie. They look at him in such a way that they consider him to be a liar. The look on their face really angers me. Now, the way how the teacher and the parents of the Sarabjit look at him at that thing, looking at this thing makes Sarabjit very angry. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I don't show that I am angry. So Sarabjit wants to hide. He had a great respect for his parents and teacher. So even though he is telling truth, but his teacher and parents are believing that he is telling lie. So he is feeling very angry. So in order to calm down his anger, what he do? He looks down to his shoes and start counting the 10 so that the parents and the teacher don't see that Sarabjit is angry. So this way the Sarabjit pays the respect to the teachers also, and whatever, even though he is true, then also he calmly satisfy his desire that let them believe because they are the respected person. Now the next story is about Dolma. Dolma is a girl. She is also of the same age. But why she is different from the other? Let's see. When I grow up, I am going to be a Prime Minister of India. Now Dolma, her liking is to become the Prime Minister when she grows up. So she wanted to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. So becoming a Prime Minister is not an easy work. So Dolma's liking is to be the Prime Minister of India. Then what she's saying, whenever she tell to the other people that I want to be the Prime Minister of India, so they started laughing because becoming the Prime Minister is not an easy work. So, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in the school. So Dolma, from the childhood, she is having the leadership quality. So whatever the problem is classmates are having, they come to the Dolma in order to solve the problem. And even the teacher also, she is satisfied with the Dolma, what she has done and how she react towards the problem. I want to make things better for everyone. So Dolma always has a respect for everyone, and she wanted to make everything better for all the living creature. I want us to have a good hospitals and roads and school. So she is telling that because after being a Prime Minister, what she will do? So she will be first thing, she will be looking for the betterment of the people. She will be building up the hospitals, roads and various other amenities. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures of disease. Cures means treatment. So the next thing what she will do, she wanted to make a great scientist from India. So they will be working hard in order to cure the disease. Cure means to do the treatment. So at present we see that as the corona is going on, so our Indian scientists are also working hard in order to develop the vaccination. So Dolma also becoming a Prime Minister, she will be making more and more Indian scientists, so they would be working for the betterment of the humanity. And send a spaceship to Mars. The next thing, so scientists, they will be first of all making up the vaccinations for the disease, and secondly they will be making a spaceship. Spaceship means it is a spacecraft which would be taking the astronomers to the Mars. Mars is the fourth planet. Now the last story, it is a story of a boy of a same age. His name is Peter. So how Peter is different from the other, let's see. My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. So now the Peter, he has been liking the second Sunday very much. So what is the reason? On this day, our whole family always go to the cinema hall to see the film. So why the Peter is liking the second Sunday? Because the whole family, they go for a cinema hall in order to see the film. My father gets a ticket in advance. So his father in advance means beforehanded. So his father already he knows that the second Sunday is going to come. So before only he purchased the ticket for the whole family. So my father gets the ticket in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers and I. So here, how many members are there? First of all, the grandmother, then their parents, his two brother, and he himself takes the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts. So they go travel in the bus to the cinema hall, and there his father, what they gave him, he gives the peanuts. Peanuts means the groundnuts. So whenever you also go to the cinema, you might be eating the popcorns. So same way, here Peter likes to eat the peanuts very much. And I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. So the Peter loves very much is a dark room. Whenever you also go to the cinema hall, you might be seeing the whole lights are got off and only the film roll, the screen is there. That only the film is being played. Afterward, we always stop eating ice cream. So after seeing the film, when they go out, the whole family loves to eat the ice cream very much. Everyone is in good mood and we all feel very lucky. Lucky means fortunate. So everyone, they enjoys the film, they eat the ice cream. So all of them are in the good mood and they feel very lucky about themselves that we are such a happy family. So all the family members, they had a great respect and the love for each other and they feel very lucky that we are the member of this beautiful family. So here comes the end of the lesson. In this lesson, we have seen that how the children of the different age, of the same age, are been having a different kinds of quality. You also can see, you and your brother, even your friends, what all the differentiations are there between you all, you can also find it out and make a note of it.